Hello students, today I have brought for you one of the most important questions of class 10th polynomial chapter, which is very important for the upcoming CBSE 2027 board examination. So let's see what is the question. The question is verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial 25a square minus 16. So in order to verify the relationship between them, the zeros and coefficient, so we have to first find out the coefficient student here. The coefficient of x square, you know, that is a is equal to x, coefficient of x square is equal to 25. Coefficient of x, students, it will give the value of a b, but b is not here, that is 0, and c is equal to what, students? Minus 16. Okay, because any quadratic polynomial generally in the form of ax square minus bx plus c. So here there is no x term, so b, coefficient of x is b, that is 0 here. Okay, so here you just find out the zeros. So first you have to factorize this 25x square minus 16. Okay, so 25x square we can write it as that 5x whole square minus 16, that is we can write as 4 square. So you can write this in the form of that is a square minus b square formula. So you just put this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is 5x plus 4 into 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so this implies that here 5x plus 4, students, will become equal to, or x minus 4 also become equal to 0, right? So 5x plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to become minus 4. So here it will become what? Minus 5. So one root got minus 4 by 5. Then the root, what will you get? That is 5x minus is equal to 0. So that is 5x is equal to plus 4. This implies that x is equal to 4 by 5. So one root you got minus 4 by 5, another is 4 by 5. Let's suppose this is alpha, let's suppose this is beta. Okay, so the relationship between zeros and coefficient, students, you know, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by, you have to verify it, right? So to prove the LHS side is to the LHS side, sir, alpha plus beta is what, you know, that minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. You got this, so you add this, what you will get? Plus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 will be cancelled out, result is 0. And RHS side minus b by is what, students? B is 0, that is 0 by 5. So 25 is equal to also 0. Okay, so LHS is equal to LHS. So then the zero, students, you know, alpha into is equal to c by a. So what is the value of c is here, you know, minus 16 and a is 25. So we have to again verify LHS is equal to RHS, we have to do, right? Alpha into beta, alpha is plus 4 by 5 into beta you got plus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 4 by 5, so it will be 4 jar 6, that is 5 25 minus 16 by 20. What in the RHS c by c is what? Minus 16. So minus 16 by a is what? 20. So you got in the right 25. So here also it is verified. Okay, so here in order to find step of questions to solve more easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type of videos. Okay, if you have any doubt in this video, please mention in the box that I can clear your doubt in the next video. Okay, so thank you everybody, have a nice day ahead.